Okay, let's get this tire. Let's see if this works. Okay, so here we go. We got the tire on. Now at a first inspection, we'll look to see. It appears right smack dab in the middle. So let's give it a little bit of a whirl. Perfect. Perfect on this one. So now what I'll do, so that one balanced out good. I got lucky on that. But shoot ahead, and I did the other tire. Did need, it was out a little bit. So it did need a weight on that side. So I put the weight on that one. This one's perfect. Now let's take it for a test drive.